Hi, my name is Jordanna Abella. I'm the Vice President of TAP Packaging and Design, now an Oliver Incorporated company. I've been with the company for exactly 10 years, and my job is to oversee the customer-facing aspects of the business, working with our top strategic accounts and helping to grow the business in the strategic direction in which we have selected.
My name is Anna Brown. I'm responsible for the design and engineering team, the customer service team, as well as our shipping team here at TAP. I've been in the printing industry for more than 23 years now. Here at the Cleveland facility, we produce mainly folding cartons and rigid boxes. We do a lot of highly embellished packaging for customers in the specialty foods and health and beauty space.
TAP Packaging has had quite the transformation over the past 10 years. In 2023, TAP Packaging and Design, which is the Choco family, the Choco company, was acquired by Oliver Incorporated. Oliver is the nation's leading independent supplier of paperboard packaging. Their agile mindset, their investment in speed, reliability, flexibility is exactly who TAP Packaging is. And so the alignment there between the two companies was absolutely perfect. In 2006, we were the largest manufacturer of professional photographic packaging. So back when I had my senior pictures, they were delivered to me in a proof book, and I had a beautiful folio that held all of the pictures. Clearly, those types of products have gone, way down in demand. And today, we manufacture a high-end premium packaging. It's just for a different market. And, it was a highly competitive market as well. So if you think back 10 years ago, we talked about there being over 250 folding carton companies in the country. And here we come, 251, not having much name recognition. And we needed to be different. We needed to do something that not only provided a premium product, but that also had a different feel to it. So our partnership and our agility working with our customers was really important. We went full force and invested in our equipment, invested in technology and innovation. We were already printing with Heidelberg printing presses. So growing our equipment and adding some capability for folding and gluing, some additional foil stamping, those were things that we already knew how to run, how to work. All of that equipment was perfectly aligned for a new market. So 2019, we moved into this facility, and the vision that the team had to transform this place is just unreal. We were positioning ourselves for growth at that point in 2019, having no idea what was going to happen in 2020. Our business had taken a hit, but man, by the end of 2020, the surge in consumer products was just unreal. I had the right equipment at the right time. We basically stepped in and our business started just surging. And you're growing a manufacturing business, you're constantly challenged by the cart and the horse. It was clear that we were going to have to make some additional investments. And that plan included adding an additional Heidelberg printing press, a high-speed blanker, die-cutting press, and some additional folding gluing equipment. And that, again, allowed us to just continue to grow with the customers that we had that were really themselves surging.
Here at the Cleveland facility, we use Heidelberg equipment in both our printing and our post-press operations. In printing, we have an Heidelberg XL105. It's an 8-color with 2 coaters and cold foiling module. That press is also a hybrid UV and conventional press, so you can basically do anything. Any complicated job can be easily done in one pass on that press. In post-press, we also have the Jordanna Easy Folder Gluer. That's kind of a funny story. We almost didn't buy it. We were 95% set on purchasing different equipment that we already knew, but we were convinced to make this crazy 36-hour trip on a Thanksgiving weekend. Our facilities manager, William Springer, did it with our salesman, Kip, and we are so happy, all of us, that he actually did that trip, because once he saw the Jordanna running, he decided that it's definitely worth purchasing. He was very impressed. Yeah, the Jordanna Easy is really what it says it is. It is a very easy to use, easy to set up folder gluer. Our operators love it. We've even found that new operators who are just training on it have a really quick learning curve just because it is so intuitive to use and so reliable to run. It is just really well engineered, and you can tell that the quality of the materials used is very high end, and that's what you would expect from Heidelberg equipment. We are also very excited about our newest edition, the Heidelberg XL 106. It's a 6-color with 1 coater. We expect that press to be just wonderful for both short runs and long runs because of its high degree of automation, its continuous feed. My favorite feature is the in-press control color management system. The tolerance variability here is very minor that they accept. And that goes for all the global brands that we do business with. So having the Heidelberg printing presses and the ProMatrix die cutters and the blankers and the Diana Easy Folder Gluer has really allowed us to serve the customers that we have strategically aligned to serve in the best possible way. You know, perfection is nearly the key. My satisfaction is in the fact that I don't hear from their quality management department very often. You know, I mean, it's not everything is perfect, but I will say that it's such a relief when, you know, we ship out hundreds of thousands of body wash cartons. We can rest assured that the color is consistent throughout the run and that we have the precise specification that's required for meeting the demands of these high-end brands. You know, with that, you have a lot more confidence in going out and talking about, you know, this is something that we're good at, and continue to grow in that space. And we're excited now to be part of Oliver Incorporated. We have a lot more opportunity to grow and have a lot more name recognition, and we're looking forward to the future.